Hi, good morning, guys. It's actually morning here now. Today we're heading off to Paris, and we've just got ourselves ready, had breakfast, and we're gonna go and explore the Eiffel Tower. We've actually got a boat ride that we're actually gonna go on to sightsee and Paris in full. And also we've got a train ride that we're gonna go on to the village just to see Paris in more details. So the weather again is not that great, but however it is what it is Europe at the end of the day, so we're just gonna have to go with it and go with the flow. So come with me and let's go and explore Paris in more details and find out all the landmarks as well. So let's go. Attends, je vois ça ici. Et dit ça. Il y en a une. Attends.
Et reviendra à la tour Eiffel en passant cette fois-ci devant la statue de la liberté. Nous ne serons donc pas...
Do you want to stand up as well and look? Are you scared? Do you want to put your hat up? Yeah. It's not moving, it's a big boat. It's a big boat.
I wanted to move at the moment.
You want it to move?
Yeah.
But watch.
I can't see it.
The coach is there.
Sì, stai lì se vuoi stare. Do you have snack?
Yes, I have snack.
What snack do you have?
I've got crisp. I have water. I got fruit puree. Hold on, wait, baby. Oh, it's turning.
Why?
I think it's going back now. Eiffel Tower. Yes. Pardon? Yeah. You want to go on the train? I'm there. Oh yes, what colour is that one? Oh look, there's another boat. Got it at home already. Remember?
And at number 54, the house where Vincent Van Gogh lived.
Do you like it, baby? Oh, real? It's a pretend train? Okay. You want to go on this train again? This one again? We're going to go on a different train after. Oh, we could have done a kitchen. And this one, yeah, that's another train station, yes. That's another train station.
Érigé dans le jardin romantique du square Géant Rictus, place des Abbesses.
Yeah, it is.
Cette œuvre, imaginée par Frédéric Baron et Claire Quiteux, est devenue un lieu de rendez-vous pour les amoureux du monde.
Yeah.
Dans un monde marqué par la violence, les murs, comme les frontières, ont généralement pour fonction de diviser.
Yeah, because it's the hill.